Always asking me what I got on. They be like, hey, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Oh no, back.
That's
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ben Easy, aka Benny Mannequin, coming to you live from the Mannequin studio, and we're back. Now, when I mean I'm back, I'm actually back, guys. So, quick story time. Yesterday, I just had my final presentation for my architecture thesis, meaning your boy's got a master's degree. Yeah, I'm educated. Yeah, exactly. But so you guys know what's been going on in the world right now. So they said everyone to stay indoors, meaning we can't go outside. If you've watched my previous videos, ever since I came back from London, the world has changed. It's gone crazy, and now we're indoors. Basically, I had to finish my master's degree indoors, and I was gonna show you guys, if you saw my video of when I went thrift shopping, I'm gonna show you right here. When I went thrift shopping, I was gonna show you guys what I got, but guys, it's so sad because Corona has taken my chance of wearing all the things I got. So what am I gonna do in this video? I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Alright, first off, I got this bad boy over here. This is basically a jacket. I will show you guys the details, but this is an Aussie apparel. It's basically a vintage brand. So like the store I got it from was it's like a vintage store. So they have like vintage Burberry, they have vintage Louis Vuitton, they have vintage blah blah blah, vintage stuff. So this was nice because I felt like it had like, I don't know what these like layers are on it, and it's got leather as well to it. And yeah, it's basically like an Aussie farm trench coat. It's a trenchy as well. So if you see it, yeah, I hope you guys can see it. This ran me like 50 pounds. That's after negotiation, honestly, guys. You watch the last video to see how that went. Basically, I was supposed to pay like over $200, but then the guy was pissed off at me for haggling the price. But come on, I'm Nigerian. Come on, we don't pay the exact price that they tell us, because there's something called haggle pricing. You price the guy down. So I priced the guy down to $100, and I paid all my stuff for $100. So moving on to the next item. Sorry guys, usually I'll show you guys a B-roll of me trying them on, but outside is closed. So that's what this is. This is the trench coat. Moving on, I got this. Basically, this is a silky, I don't know, this is really silky smooth. This is like a shirt that I'm supposed to be wearing in this time. Honestly, that's the only reason why I picked it up, because I felt like it was like a spring getting into summer, nice transition for the spring and summertime. I don't exactly know what this brand is, but it was brand new from the vintage store, which is pretty nice as well, because you don't really get a lot of brand new stuff from vintage thrift stores or anything. But I got this. This is it's like I don't know what material this would be, but if you guys can see, like, look at it closely, it's like a silky, I don't know, it's really nice. It's a nice material to it. I was gonna wear it, like I said, when it got warmer outside, but then things changed. So moving on to the next item. Alright, so moving on to the next item. I know you guys are probably gonna judge me for this one, but I got a book. Why did I get a book? I'm not much of a reader, but I made it to myself that I wanted to start to read this year. So I got a book. I found this book in the thrift store, and the vintage thrift store, and it's a book that was written in I believe 2004, 2000. I have no idea. I can't really see anything, but it's called In Fashion. So it's basically from the runway to the retail, everything you need to. I'm gonna show you guys here. So it says from the runway to the makeup. Hold on, I can't see too. From the runway to the makeup. No, from the runway to the retail, everything you need to know to break the fashion industry. As we know, I'm trying to break the fashion industry, so why not? It's a lovely book. I started-ish to read it when I was on my flight back to the US, but I kind of got caught up with other stuff. So right now, while I'm in lockdown, I might get into doing that, but obviously that will be after I finish, like after I get done reading the book I'm reading right now. So last but not the least is my favorite pickup. And honestly, when I first saw this item, I honestly thought it wasn't like a men's, or like I thought it wasn't my size. But then the guy was like, he got explained to me and showed me some pictures about what exactly it was. So yo, I can't wait to fit in this thing, and I'm sure you guys can't wait as well. But it's a blue, basically a blue leather jacket. First of all, pause. Before this, I had never, I don't know, like, call me old-fashioned, call me like naive, but I have never seen a blue like any other leather apart from brown and black. So seeing a blue leather jacket, to me, that's not a raincoat or like nothing like like a poncho or whatever. It was like pretty nice to me, and I was like, oh, okay, I wish I could cop that. But then apparently he said it's like a crop, so it's like one of them crop denim jackets like you see like in the 80s, I believe, 80s, 70s. They've had like these crop denim jackets. Another interesting secret to this jacket is that, hold on, suede, and it's a whole different jacket. Like, I mean, a whole different jacket, trust me. Like, look, it's literally a whole different jacket, like a whole different style. It's like a suede denim jacket on the other side, which is pretty dope. You don't really see a lot of these, and I've never owned one of these like double-sided things. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. Buying like a leather jacket and a suede jacket at the same time. It's leather and suede. So I picked it up, and this was like, I think this was like another $50 original price. So if you saw from the last video, or like the previous two videos or so, everything I copped from London was about £100, which is a good steal for me, honestly. Anyways, I have a new intro. So what do you guys think about the new intro? I would like to know, so please leave a comment down below what you think about the new intro. And then what do you think about these things? What do you like of just seeing it? Let me know in the comment section. And sometime in the quarantine, I'll probably be putting some outfit out for you guys. But let me know if you want to see that. So don't forget, once again, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about the new intro.